Okay, today is March 13th, 2019 at 11:15, and I'm posting this as just more record of weather manipulation that since One Pacific Redwood didn't post it today. What we're looking at again is the West Coast, and you can also see some interesting action a little east of us here. But what we're looking at again is this manipulation right here. Today was a very, very dry day, despite this incoming moisture flow from the tropics, which seems like it could have combined with this system coming up. But the main thing is you're looking at a lot of evaporation here, and you can see it in the rainbow map. Take a look. It's all coming in. All this high depth is coming in, but as it approaches, it just evaporates right here. It is not coming through, and we had a pretty low humidity all day. I was getting my readings come from the Rothschild Weather Channel, but let me make sure you know where we are today. Right now, March. That was Sunday for some reason. Yeah, let's make sure they know that's today, March 13th in the evening. Okay, now let's scroll down to today, and you'll see we started, let's say if you look at 747, 8, 69, 74% relative humidity. And then it just dropped. I mean, it went down to 23, 24, and even in the evening, 26%. And you end up with this, just very low, maybe some moisture, but nothing coming in. It was all blue. A couple puffs of clouds, but nothing will make it. They're not letting. You can see this kind of a straight line here, and something's going on over here. You can see this low loop, and it's just being pushed up. They're definitely manipulating that and affecting that. Just so I'm curious myself. That has quite a bit. Quite a bit of rain right there, and but it's not coming in the West Coast. They're not letting us have much of that. And one thing. Stuff I don't really understand, but this Pacific analysis map, you can see all the high pressure. So bam, 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 1029. Look at that, man. Stuff coming in and nothing, everything holding it back. You've got Hawaii over here, and that's where that tropical flow is coming. And this system is being blocked. All this low pressure, and all of it's hitting this high, which is definitely being manipulated, and that's no doubt no rain for the West Coast. And if you want to learn what some of this stuff means here, the separation of all these weather moisture flows, the manipulation of these low pressure systems here and here, I'd recommend you go to One Pacific Redwood. His channel, it covers all this stuff, but that's why we are having absolutely no rain until allegedly next Wednesday. And I don't know how they're predicting this, because 7 days and then bada bing, we got rain allegedly. Many of these predictions always fall flat, so I really don't know why it's worth looking at them, except for curiosity. So keep that in mind, and I'll post some more in the future. They're not going to stop doing this.